Son, is the turtle in there? What's in there? The turtle? Turtle?
She's a pretty good looking woman herself. So
where's the turtle? Look, turtle!
David just wanted it all.
It's up there. Turtle?
David cheats on Clara Harris,
Turtle.
barely covering his tracks.
Son, turtle.
To
Turtle.
the employee, and then
Do you love turtles? Turtle.
And one of them eventually
No,
went
no,
away.
no. We don't bang on the fish tank, okay? That's where the turtle lives. You wouldn't want somebody coming over here and hitting your home.
This affair will become his death sentence.
Turtle. No. Turtle. 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 Oh, so you hit me? Turtle. Oh, turtle. Uh-oh. Don't stand on that.
To lose her husband was to lose